Today we'll be discussing Mathematics Extended Paper 22, February, March 2022. Alright, so your first question. So you just measure the marked angle just using your protractor. So I couldn't show it on the screen, but the marking scheme said that it is 40 degrees. Next, second question. Work out cert 5 times with 6 square. That would be 80.498. When you round it to 2 decimal places, that is 80.50. First mark is for showing the 3 decimal place, and second mark is for rounding it up to 2 decimal place. So question 3 is a question about time. So 21 hours and 15 minutes to 4 hours and 33 minutes. 4 hours and 15 minutes, that would take 7 hours. And then from 04:15 to 04:33, 33 minus 15, that would be 8, and 2 minus 1 is 1. That would be 18 minutes. So your final answer is 7 hours and 18 minutes. Next we have question 4, which is a 3-dimensional shape. They want us to calculate the total surface area of this cuboid. So I'm just doing 7 times 4 multiply with 2 because there's 2 sides, and then 2 multiply with 7 and 5, plus 2 multiply with 5 and 4. That will give me 166. Moving on to question 5. We all know that y equals to mx plus c, where m is the gradient. So whatever is next to x is the gradient. So in this case, it is 5. Part B. So find the coordinates of the point where the line y equals to 5x plus 7 crosses the y-axis, and x is equal to 0. So therefore y is equal to 5 multiplied with 0 plus 7, giving us 7. So the coordinates are 0 and 7. So question 6 is a bit tricky since I don't have a compass on the screen, but basically you put your needles on the 2 points I drawn here, and then you measure the appropriate distance and draw their arc, and then connect the lines of the intersecting arc, and then don't forget to label your lines. So that's 8 centimeters, 9.5 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. And that's all for part 1 of this paper. Part 2 will be up very soon.